Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Safe Search mode on Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open please Chrome browser on your device. Okay, and then here you can click on three dots at the top right corner. And then select settings. And then here you can scroll down. Okay, and then select privacy and security option. Okay, and then here you can scroll, and then select safe browsing. And then to turn off safe browsing on your Chrome, you can activate the third option here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Safe Search mode on Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.